This video tutorial will help you troubleshoot internet connectivity issues with the virtual machine. Oftentimes, when VM Player starts, it likes to disable networking. If you see this icon in the upper right-hand corner, it means that networking is currently disabled. To fix this, right-click on the icon and select Enable Networking. Hopefully, this should fix the majority of issues. If the internet connection is still not working, the next thing to check is which mode the virtual network adapter is currently running in. We can check this by right-clicking the Network Adapter button at the bottom of the VM Player window. It should be running in that mode. If it's not, select it. Finally, if it's still not working, there's one more thing to try. Sometimes VM Player uses the wrong MAC address for its virtualized hardware. We can see what MAC address it should be using by navigating to the folder which contains the VM image. If we open the .vmx file in a text editor, such as Notepad, and scroll down, you should see an entry marked Ethernet 0 generated address. We want to make sure that the MAC address here is the same MAC address that the VM Player is currently using. To check this, go to the actual virtual machine, open a new terminal, and type ifconfig eth1. We want to make sure that the hardware address given here is the same as the hardware address listed in the file. If the hardware addresses are different, we will need to edit a config file. Go back to the virtual machine. The config file we need to edit is located in /etc/udev/rules.d. The file we want to edit is called 70 persistent net rules. You will need to have root access to edit this text file. The easiest way to edit this file is to use the sudo command followed by your favorite text editor and then the name of the file. Once the file is open, you will need to modify the vmxnet entry. Copy the hardware address from the .vmx file over to this file. Once you have done that, save the file and reboot the virtual machine and attempt to connect to the network again. If none of these suggestions have helped, please contact your TA or your professor to see if they can help you.